Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of critical type of sociological research. The critical approach is one of the three perspectives sociologists use to guide their research on social life. The other two are positivism and interpretivism. Each of these three research approaches influences the selection of different questions, methods, analysis, and conclusions. All three approaches contribute to our body of knowledge of social life, and they shape how we think, ask questions, and find solutions in social research. The critical approach argues that power and inequality influence the production of knowledge. Critical sociologists look at how research funding, research publication practices, and scientific priorities shape which topics are studied and whose perspectives are represented. They also study power differences between researchers and research participants, pay attention to marginalized groups that have historically been underrepresented or exploited in research. Because the critical approach focuses on power, inequality, and social hierarchies, it aligns with the conflict theoretical perspective in sociology. Critical sociologists often use the same research methods as other sociologists, including interviews, surveys, and the analysis of existing data. What distinguishes the critical approach is its focus on examining how knowledge and research can reinforce or challenge existing power in society and maintain social inequalities. The sociologists using the critical approach might study whether certain groups of workers face more stressful conditions than others. Methods such as interviews, surveys, or analysis of workplace policies and employment data may be used to identify patterns of inequality and stress. Research questions such as which groups of workers report the highest levels of stress, or how do workplace rules or management practices affect employees differently, help critical sociologists understand how workplace policies and organizational decisions maintain or reduce unequal conditions impacting stress at work. Here's another example. Critical sociologists might examine who benefits economically from people spending time online and who are more likely to experience harassment, bias, or censorship on social media platforms. To conclude, a critical sociologist studies the organization of society and asks how things could be equal and just. Understanding this critical approach to research helps us evaluate research findings and statistics we encounter in our everyday lives from a power differential lens. We are empowered to ask informed questions and view social issues from diverse perspectives. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.